Right, synthetics 60 with some surf even. And some Comfort Pure. Honestly, this Pro-Action Vestal washing machine I actually like. It's horrible to obviously like, operate the controls, they're mushy, but it's a good machine. And it is on par with Becca. I mean, obviously, the only downsides with the cheaper Vestal brand is obviously the electronics are often not at the best. Saying that, when you look at Electrolux stuff, they're not good either. I don't know, I kind of like it. It's dead easy to work on. That's what I do love about these Vestal brands. You can just take the front off and you get access to everything. And it really is like a couple of screws and that's it. I kind of love to work on them. They're alright, they're great. They're not sealed in like sealed tubs. This was quite good as well. There's no mould on the bloody seal. Or in the detergent drawer.